Now, don't ball me out now.
Nah, I ain't gonna ball you out. And never, Attorney Faulkner. Come on now.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no wearing of any head garments except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Darrell Denise Whitaker. This is ticket SP 1330722. This is one count improper plates. May I have your appearance for the record first, Attorney Faulkner?
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Darrell Whitaker. Darrell Whitaker.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, my client does not have a registration with her. She said that she thought she had it, but she does not, and she's at work, so she can't go out and get it.
All right. We adjourned to one other time for you to go get it too, ma'am.
No.
It was a long time ago. It was in 2023, but okay. So then it went to Capias, warrant status. All right. I'll set that up for August 8th, for pretrial August 8th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. In this matter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day, okay?
All right.
Bonds continued at $0. All right. Bye. You can continue, Attorney Faulkner. I was just trying to get a couple of people out.
Oh, you want me to bring a couple more out?
Yeah, let's get a couple more people out.
Oh, let's see what I got here.
All right, fantastic.
Here's, I'll take a little time on this next one, but let's see who we got. So Taryn Whitfield. Yeah, no. You ever lose your little arrow on the sheet and can't find it?
I have before, okay? And then you try to find it, you lifting it up trying to see.
Let's see, where's that one I was going to do? Satara Whitfield. Let's see if I can get her out. We're ready on Whitfield, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Satar Whitfield. This is ticket number SP 1486728. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive a registered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. She also has ticket SX 3453103. Count 1, motor vehicle operate without security. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Ticket SP 854221. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 794282. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 776035. Count 1, improper plates. ticket SP 776-034, count one, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, count three, drove while license suspended. Look, she looking through her phone. I don't like reading all these tickets either.
Oh, you do such a good job, though, Judge.
No, I still got some more. SP 771-363, cut one, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 11655542, count one, drove while license suspended, count two, no insurance. Ticket SP 1475816, count two, no insurance, count three, driver's license never acquired, and ticket SP 1562870, count one, drove while license suspended, count two, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Fogg, the representative defendant, and your name, ma'am?
Satara Whitfield.
Your Honor, I think I made a mistake here. She's on 835, and I thought that was it. And as I go down to 835, there's about 10 or 12 more.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Um,
You talk to her again. It's okay if you do. No worries.
okay. I'll
Off
go
the
back
record
in
in
with,
this matter.
yeah, okay. I'll go back in with her if somebody could put her in.
Okay. All right, he didn't realize you had the tickets that you had, ma'am, so he's gonna have to talk to you a little bit more. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room so he can finish communicating with you, okay, Ms. Whitaker? All right, are you able to join on your own, or you need me to put you back in another room? It should be a button, 3 buttons at the top that say breakout room. Go back to 7 if you can.
3 buttons.
Yep, so if you tap it in it's either the right or the left corner, I think the right corner, 3 buttons will come up at the top. You see it?
It just says join breakout room. That's
Yep.
it.
It doesn't tell you a number that you can join, or no?
Yeah, room 7. Yeah,
Yep, go to room 7 for me, please. Thank you.
no problem.
All right.
You were ready on Whitfield, Your Honor.
Recalling the matter of the people versus Satara Whitfield. These matters were called in all, and counsel needed a moment to speak with his client. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
All following to represent the defendant. Your name again, ma'am?
Satara Whitfield.
Your Honor,
Counsel.
she wants to take advantage of the offers. She needs to get her license. And then I'm going to ask you if perhaps there's something she can pay in advance as far as the license suspended to get a clearance. But we'll get to that when we get to it, I guess. But she's going. Do you have the plea, Your Honor?
I don't. Let me see. I don't have the plea, unfortunately. Tell me what the plea is.
Okay. Let me get it right. Ends in 5421. Driver's license is suspended, reduced to failure to display. One ending in 5422.
Okay.
Dismiss.
Okay.
8162.
Okay.
Dismiss. 8163. They disappeared on me. Why did I say 63?
Yep. A163. What we doing on that? Driver's license never required.
Dismiss.
Okay.
63, then 7281. Dismiss.
Okay.
7282.
Uh-huh.
You got it? 7282. Because has improper plates.
Okay.
7283. Improper plates.
Okay.
8701. Dismiss.
Okay.
Oh, that was 83 was the last one? Yeah.
8701. You said dismiss was 8702.
Okay, and 8702 was improper plates.
Huh?
So 8703, dismiss.
Okay.
Now the next page.
I know.
Oh,
I
no.
know.
Okay, let's see here. 3631.
Uh-huh.
Dismiss.
Mm-hmm.
0341.
Okay.
Improper plates. Charge or should plead on that.
Okay.
0342. Dismiss.
Mm-hmm.
0343.
Mm-hmm.
FTD. 0351.
Mm-hmm.
What was that last number, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
No, 0351. You okay?
0351 is no offer. It's improper plates.
Mhm.
2821,
Mm-hmm.
dismiss. 2822,
Mm-hmm.
improper plates. 2823, dismiss. 2211, dismiss.
Mm-hmm.
2212, dismiss.
Mm-hmm.
1031,
Mm-hmm.
improper plates. 1032,
Mm-hmm.
dismiss.
All right. That should be them all.
But here's what 8161. Did I give you that one? It's
No.
improper plates.
I was about to say, I think I have all her tickets. right.
Okay.
Ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside what's been stated today on this record in exchange for this plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Ms. Whitfield?
Yes.
All right, I want to first take your attention back to the date of January 11th of 2019, where you're driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of M10 and the Grand Boulevard in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And did that car not have any car insurance at that time?
No, I didn't have any car insurance at that time.
Okay, then I want to take your attention to the date of March 12th of 2018, where you're driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Grinnell and Raymond Streets in the city of Detroit.
You said a Chevy?
It says Chevy 10, 1997.
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
and was your car not registered? Probably because you didn't pay the fee for that year.
Yes, it might not have been registered. I'm
Okay.
not.
I know it's older cases, but this is what happens when you don't come, Miss Whitfield. Then you got to
Yes,
try and remember all the way back, okay?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Taking your attention all the way back to November 24th. Do the best that you can, 2017, where you're driving a Chevy vehicle. It says beige on this one. I don't know whether it's tan or beige in Oakland, on Oakland and Kilworth in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention. That same interaction, was it not registered at that time either, that same vehicle?
I'm not quite sure. It may have not been. I just know it was
Okay,
an older vehicle.
all right. Was your license suspended at the time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I want to take your attention a little closer. We're getting closer. March 12th of 2024, where you're driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Greenfield and Tyler Streets in the city of Detroit.
You said March 2020.
March 12th of this year, of 2024. I bet you somebody calling her. She froze. Yeah, and somebody may have called her. Oh, we are doing so good, Miss Whitfield.
On the right side, and then.
Aw. All right, I have to wait for Ms. Whitfield to log back on. Off the record in that matter. Did you talk to Michael Williams already? Because he came back into the courtroom like you did, Attorney Faulkner.
Yes, we went, question of bench trial date.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Micah Williams. This is ticket number SP 1322422. One count drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
All Faulkner represent the defendant. Your name, sir?
Michael Williams.
Under my client waives his right to a jury trial and request a bench trial.
All right. Please raise your right hand. Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Give me Mr. Williams.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I said, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set it for August 15th. August 15th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. So we're gonna get you a pretty quick turnaround date. Hope you feel better soon, okay?
Okay.
When is your
All right, I see that
operation?
you-
When's your
He's what?
operation? May I cut in, Your Honor? Make sure that he'll be
Thank-
ready.
Oh, okay, when is your operation?
They won't be telling me until like next week or what day it's gonna be.
All right, well,
Just
if
give
it
him,
conflicts with
They
this date, call
they
the
said
court.
like the middle of August though, so I'm not sure what exactly date it's gonna be. They'll tell me like I guess I'll get it like a week in advance, like they did before when I got it done 9 months ago, a year ago almost. My other surgery. I'm going back to the same place.
So do you want me to set it in October instead?
I mean, I'm gonna still be if it does happen. I'm still going to be. I'll be able to do a Zoom. I wouldn't be able to come
Okay.
in because I'm gonna have like a motor cage around my neck, around my face.
Okay, okay, all right. And people can't come online and you got all these issues going on and you still coming online. Thank you. All right,
Okay.
also, you got the other tickets. I see that you submitted a letter for those tickets.
No, well, what it is? This is all fraud from like
I
2 years
know,
ago.
they put
And I-
on here what it is.
yeah,
So
so I'm
I'm gonna
trying to just
try and
take care of
resolve
everything.
everything.
So I was trying to take care of everything. So they told me 2 of them was gonna be like some kind of a motion or something, and then this one I had to go to court for it and show all my paperwork and everything. And
Okay,
that's what I'm trying to do.
I know, I see what you're trying to do. So I have it all in my file. I'm just acknowledging to you that we know that you're making motions and stuff like that. So we got it,
Okay.
Mr. Williams. The court has received it all, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but come back to court on August 15th to handle mine at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Hold on one second. All right. Miss Whitfield.
Yes, I don't know what
Okay.
happened. I'm so sorry.
I felt like somebody may have called you or something like that. Sometimes it'll freeze your phone and you don't even know. It's
Yes,
okay.
I was just so
I know
sad.
it's okay. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. We good. I'm not that person. I'm not that person.
Okay.
I just gave it a moment, and then when it didn't work, I said, well, hopefully she'll log back on. So take a
Yes,
deep
ma'am.
breath. You're going to listen. The hardest part was showing up to court today, knowing that you had to resolve these matters. So you good.
Yes.
You good in my books, okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. We're going to get back on the record in this matter so we can finish it all out. I just want you to calm
Okay.
down. I know sometimes when that happens, then I can see you like getting excited about it. Don't worry. It's technology. All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Back on the record in the matter of the people versus Satara Whitfield. We have begun calling this matter. She was taking some pleas and then her phone froze and she had to log back on. Can I have appearances once again for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner?
Paul Faulkner, represent the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Satara Whitfield.
All right. And we were in the middle of taking some pleas. You remain under oath at this point in time. And we're going to finish out these last couple of ones that you had. We were at, let's see. I think we were here. That same date of November 24th, 2017. Were you at Oakland and Kilworth in the city of Detroit driving that Chevy vehicle, ma'am? Oh, we have finished this
Yes.
one. All right. And you didn't have a valid license. Your license was suspended at that time, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Then I want to bring your attention to March 12th of 2024, where you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Greenfield and Tyler Streets in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered at that time, meaning it didn't have proper tags on it, I think.
Correct. Yes.
All right. And then I want to bring your attention to August 4th of 2023, where you're driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Monroe and Beaubien Streets in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Was there no car insurance on it at the time?
No person.
And was it unregistered at that time? No proper tags?
Yes. No problem.
Well, you know what? When it's no insurance, it invalidates your tags. Most people don't know that. So if you don't have any insurance, the tags weren't up to date, okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right. And then finally, I want to bring your attention to the date of February 18th, 2021, where you're driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Livernois and Barr Streets in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And was your license suspended at that time back in 2021, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
A stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulate.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the reduced count of fail to display on 2 counts. Reduced count of improper plates on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counts, and 1 count as charged improper plates. Ma'am, last time you came, you needed a note for work, didn't you? You were at work or need to go back to work? Okay. All right. Let me see. I'm going to find you. How many tickets did she plead to? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. She had reinstatement fees she's gonna have to pay probably too.
She's wondering if
All
she
right.
could pay those first, Your Honor. Reinstatement fees.
Well, yeah, once she takes care of these tickets, she should be able to pay for those reinstatement fees.
I was wondering if she could pay them today.
I mean, once we put in the computer system, she may have to wait until tomorrow, but she'll be able to pay for it. All right. So what I'm gonna do, my fine is usually $200 a ticket, but I'm gonna make you pay on 3 tickets. So that's 600 total. I got to give you some type of substantial fine because you ain't been back to visit us for a long time. But I also want to keep in mind that you're going to have some reinstatement fees, and those are $45 a piece from us. And I don't know how many you have. And so sometimes those can stack up too. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But once we put it into the computer system, you should be able to pay those, and actually you can go ahead and take care of those first. And then what I would suggest that you do is be on a payment plan for the rest of the stuff. So that way you can take care of part of it, those reinstatement fees first, and then pay off my fines with some
Okay,
time to spare.
so I won't be able to go obtain my license and try to pay fine.
No, you can, when you pay your reinstatement fees, you should be able to try and get your license back. So that's why you can take care of those first.
You mean so I can't go to the Secretary of State and pay 125 and I can't do that?
No, because we have separate reinstatement fees at our building. Let me see if I can get your sheet pulled up so I can see how many you have.
The thing is, I ended up having that hold on my I had a hold on my license and they took it off, but they can put that back on there if I don't like obtain my license. I can go back right back on there and I'll be right back. You'll be right back looking at me again.
Let me see. We're trying to see. Oh, she got a lot. Ooh, you got a lot of reinstatement fees. Ooh. All right. So you owe $540 of reinstatement fees to 36th District Court alone. That 125 is just for the Secretary of State's office.
I mean, yeah, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to pay that. I can't pay that.
I know.
I still have like bills and stuff like that. Like I have a lot, so I can't pay that right now.
I mean, so those are things I can't control. I can only control my fine. So I can take my fine down a little bit for you, but those are the things that the Secretary of State's office was talking about. And I can't waive the 45. They get mad when I waive the other costs that I waive, but I really can't waive the 45 because I end up waiving the cost of attorney fees and stuff like that when I do some of my $0 fines that I do. So, but those are just alone, like it's $540 because you have them on all those older tickets because you didn't come back. But guess what? Right now we have an amnesty program. So come down here and see what you can get off.
Okay. So when would I be able to come down?
But before August 2nd.
Okay.
So you got like until next Friday.
Okay. So where would I go? Just to the front desk?
36th District Court on the main floor and tell them, hey, I got these tickets. Is there any late costs, any fees that can get waived for me? See what they can work out for you. I know it sucks, but those are just costs I can't, and you have 12 of them. So okay. I can make, hold on a minute. All right. All right. And I'm gonna knock down one more of the fines. So you're just gonna have to pay on this. I'll let you do it on the 2023 ticket. Okay. But I had to give you some type of fine. You're gonna figure it out, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Okay. Come down here and set up a payment plan. I'm not gonna put no due date because I anticipate that you're gonna set up a payment plan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You're gonna get out of it. It's not gonna happen immediately how you want it to happen right this moment. You just
Okay.
gotta be patient. You didn't get in this hole overnight. Some of these tickets back to 2016, 2017, 2018. So you ain't been coming for a while. So be patient with yourself. You don't have to work to get this, but you can get it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You're all set, Miss Whitfield. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Like you said, attack the reinstatement fees first and then worry about everything else. Okay.
So my reinstatement fees are like $540, right?
Yes.
So I have to pay that before I can reinstate my license, basically.
Yeah, pretty much.
I mean, but that's not bad. That's not bad.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Plus, whatever the
Thank you.
Secretary of State's office, when you pay those fines, what it does is it gives you clearance to the Secretary of State's office so they can take care of business on their end. Okay. And then whatever they require is what they require.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, okay? You're getting there. You're getting there. All
You
right.
too. Thank you so much.
All right. No problem. Bye-bye. Go ahead. Keep talking to folks, attorney. I think you got a couple of more people in Andrea
Yeah.
West, Tracy Wallace, and Nehemiah Wallace. All right. Brandon Williams. Let me see where he at.
There might be an offer in his, but I didn't get it yet.
No, don't worry about that. I'll handle Brandon Williams out here. I'm trying to figure out what he's gonna do.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not driving, are you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What did you handle that at the Secretary?
I just left I'm just leaving 36th district now.
You came down here and paid it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me a moment. I don't know how quickly it acts. No, it's already closed. Huh? Right, the $45? It was already closed. Right, he paid the $45.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Hold on a minute. Mr. Williams! Thank the Lord.
I needed to get this done, man. It's been holding me up for a month. It's been beating me down, man.
I'm so proud of you right now.
I'm proud of myself, but I've been beating myself up about this. That's all.
Don't beat yourself up about it. Mr. Williams, your license is valid.
I appreciate it. Thank you. And I just
If I would have realized that yesterday, I would have done it.
I gotta take a chance today, man. I'm just gonna call and going back on Zoom and see if I can let her know that I just cleared.
Okay, let me call this real quick. It's gonna be a dismissal, Attorney Faulkner.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brandon, Jacob Lewis Williams. This is ticket number SP. I know he got all his teeth fall off us today too. Ticket SP 1539555, count two, failed to display a valid operator's license, and ticket SP 1349505, count two, drove while license not valid. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mr.
Brandon
Williams?
Williams. Sorry about
Okay.
that.
It's okay. Attorney Faulkner, this is a dismissal. Let me tell you, Mr. Williams has been fighting hard to get his license back in order and to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
everything. He was very frustrated the first time he came on. He didn't understand why, and we couldn't figure it out. He logged on yesterday, and I couldn't figure out why his license was suspended, but it was because he owed $45. We found out today. Through his diligence, he came down here and paid it today, and now
Yes,
his
ma'am.
license is valid. So,
Beautiful.
do you have a motion for me, Attorney Faulkner?
Motion to dismiss, proper documents.
All right. All right, valid documents. The court's gonna grant that. I dismiss it. Now, Mr. Williams, you need to keep this license valid, up to date, and paid
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
way, and no tickets, okay?
No tickets. No tickets.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
You're all set. Thank
I appreciate you.
you.
Thank you so
I
much.
appreciate you too. You're
Yes,
very
ma'am.
welcome, Mr. Williams. You did it. Y'all can see the frustration. Now you all
Yes.
set, okay?
Beautiful. I appreciate
All
you.
right.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
You too, man.
Bye-bye. Mr. Williams, Judge. All right. We got
Nehemiah West.
Nehemiah
Wallace.
Wallace.
Yes.
Mr.
ma'am.
Wallace.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nehemiah. Elijah. Is it Elijah?
Ajalon.
Ajalon Wallace.
Yes, ma'am.
This is ticket SP 1561813. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. He missed a recent court date though, so he has expired plates too. I can handle. Attorney Faulkner, your appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
Nehemiah Wallace.
He already has proper plates and registration. I'm not
Okay.
sure about that second ticket.
It was expired plate, so if he has proper plates and registration, then he's good.
He does.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to honor, it sounds like Attorney Faulkner's request for a dismissal because of valid docs. Sir, make sure you keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome, and have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you so much.
I will. You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Well.
Bye-bye.
I'll go back in, try to get people out.
I know. Go ahead, Attorney Faulkner.
I'm looking for my arrow again.
You all right.
Let's see here. I need help in someone bringing out Andre West.
Okay. Andrea, okay. You can figure out. I got you. Oh, let me stop. You can probably hear I'm watching a preliminary exam. Miss West? Miss West, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
All right, I can.
Oh, okay, that'd be great.
Now calling the matter. Are you able to flip the phone back around to face you or no?
Yeah, well, yeah, let me try it here. Oh, wait, come on.
But these are dog tickets.
Hang on, it's coming. I don't know why it won't do that. Okay. But that's not it. Okay. You know what, oh, that's wrong.
Do you see a little button at the bottom that has like two arrows going both ways? Hit that button.
Okay, hang on, I'm trying to find the arrows. This is the judge. Oh, see, two arrows going both ways. Um, let's see, still, oh boy, what is? Uh, I'm really sorry about this. I can't. I don't know for some
Okay.
reason
All right.
But I'm
Just
here,
make sure
and I
everybody's
see you.
quiet in the background so I can make a valid record. It's a lot of noise over there. Okay.
That's because I'm at the Secretary of State's office.
Everybody at the Secretary of State's office this morning. I mean, you got these multiple. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andrea West. This is V ticket 130707. Failed to vaccinate or provide proofs of vaccination. Ticket V 130708. One count of harboring a dog more than 4 months without purchasing a license. B ticket 136600, harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 136751, failed to vaccinate dog. B ticket 136752, tether dog improperly. B ticket 136753, failed to provide dog shelter, appropriate shelter while tethering. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Call phone to represent the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Andrea Vanessa Pearl West.
Your Honor, there's been no offer on this. They always like the investigator and if they have surveyed witnesses. So we're asking for a bench trial date.
All right.
She understands. She's waiving her jury trial.
Yeah, I am. Yes, ma'am. I am.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand? I know you're in the office. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney? That would have been Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to set it for August 15th. August 15th. I'll set your bond
Okay.
at $0, okay?
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
No problem. All right, I'll see you then, okay? Via
Okay,
Zoom,
thank you.
August 15th, okay? 9 a.m.
And you have a good day at work. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Cool, I'm out of.
Get you, okay.
No, 30 days. Last thing.
So sometimes it's sooner.
Right. Her conversation.
I was unable to get Tracy Wallace out.
Okay, we got you, Attorney Faulkner. I said Faulkner and
Tracy
Faulkner at the
Wallace.
same.
I couldn't get Tracy out. Wallace.
It's okay. I'm gonna help her come join the courtroom. Miss Wallace? Miss Wallace?
Unmute yourself, Miss Wallace.
Unmute. I got it.
There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Start video. I know it's a lot.
Judge Taylor,
Yes.
I was just saying good morning to see if you can hear me.
Good morning. I can, Miss Wallace. You see me asking you to start your video too?
Set the video. Yes, I see it now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there we go. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Tracy Shavak Wallace.
Shavaka, they forgot
Yeah,
to put the
Shavak.
A on.
Okay. Ticket number SP 1316497. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Tracy Shavak Wallace.
Your Honor's an offer should plead guilty as charged to improper plates. The other two to be dismissed. And we would question about a bond after you take the plea.
Okay. Can you please raise your right hand for me, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about the case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of February 19th of 2022. Are you driving a Kia vehicle in the area of Ohio Street and Intervale in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have improper plates on your vehicle at that time, ma'am?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to one count improper plates. What's your question, counselor?
She thinks she might have a bond posted, but she's not sure.
She shouldn't for these cases. Now, what she did do is she paid her civil infraction tickets. I can check and make sure, though, that she doesn't have a bond. Mary, I don't think she has a bond on any of these. Fingers be typing. How recently did you pay those civil infractions?
A couple of weeks ago, right when the Tiger game was going on down there, that day of the Tiger game, a couple of weeks ago, the day of.
Yeah. No, these are all personal bonds. So the only thing that you had were the civil infractions that you paid. Do you think they took some bond money?
No, I don't think so. She said the warrant is lifted because I came in to pay.
Absolutely. Oh, you were just trying to see if you had to pay some bond or something?
Yeah, if anything else, I'm trying to clear my record.
Oh, I was about to say, I understand and I appreciate that. Good job. Way to go. Well, I see that you paid the civil infraction fine with it, so I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on this ticket. If you have any reinstatement fees, though, I saw that. If you have any reinstatement fees with the 36th District Court, you need to pay them. They're typically $45. I don't know if you have any, but let me see. Since I got a little time, you my last person, so.
Okay if I go in to talk to someone now, Judge?
Absolutely. Go ahead. I don't think it's anybody else there, but okay.
I'm not sure. I just want to be sure.
Go check. Yeah, I was gonna say, go check. I closed down the breakout rooms though, so anybody
Oh,
would
well.
have popped up on the screen.
That settles that then.
So it's a bond fee of 50, but I waive my bond fees when you show up, so you don't have to worry about that. You should be good. After we close this out, we'll take out these $50 miscellaneous fines and you should be good to go. Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. All right, you got an overdue payment statement though? Oh, that's from 2023. That was probably for those 2 civil infractions. Yep. So, all right, I don't think you have anything else. Usually is that it? You would have pulled the sheet if she had something else, right, Mary? You would have pulled the sheet if she had something else? Yeah. Okay, yeah. You should be good then. You should be all set, Ms. Wallace, okay?
Okay, so do I do anything after this now, or you would send me?
You can go online in a couple of days and you can pull it and it should say that everything is closed out. You'll just see the improper plates and that it was a $0 fine.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank
And that's
you,
because you
Miss.
paid the civil infractions. So I appreciate that. That was
Thank you,
some
Judge.
money. You're very welcome. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too. Have a blessed.